Have you ever had one of those really exciting moments where your manifestation actually worked? Something showed up, like money, an opportunity, a specific person or circumstance, and you thought, okay, wow, this is real, and you were riding that motivational high. But then it felt kind of random. You couldn't figure out exactly how to replicate it or why it worked that time but not this time. So you tried more techniques, you watched more videos, you read more books. You tried and tried and tried again and still nothing. And then it almost feels like sometimes manifestation works and sometimes it doesn't. So if that is you, let me tell you, I see you and hear you because I used to feel the same exact way. So let me help you. And in this video, I will share with you the reason that all of this has been happening and how to fix it permanently. No more sometimes manifesting. And really quickly, if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. Here on my channel, I pride myself in making manifestation make sense without all of the unnecessary confusion. Here on my channel, I give you the tools you need to get the results you want. And I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And before we get into this video, go ahead and hit that little thumbs up button below if you have ever felt like manifestation works sometimes, but it's completely unpredictable. And then look at how many people are right there with you. You are not alone. And honestly, I kind of have a feeling that a lot of you are going to hit that button because this is such a shared experience when it comes to using the law of attraction. So let's get into it. And here is what I want to start with. Most people think that the reason manifestation feels inconsistent is because they haven't found the right magic technique yet. So they keep collecting techniques. They'll do a trendy thing like the 3-6-9 method. They try scripting, they try visualizing, they listen to subliminals. And occasionally it will work sometimes, but there's really no rhyme or reason, and it never feels quite reliable enough. But here's the thing. It's not because the techniques don't work, it's because the techniques aren't the problem. And let me just say that again. It's not the techniques that are the problem. So what actually creates the results? Well, the truth is, it's your subconscious mind. And before you say, okay, well, I've heard that already, let me explain it in a way where it actually finally clicks so that it's not this kind of esoteric thing where you don't even know where to start or how it's working or if you're even doing it right. Because until you shift this subconscious programming, nothing else is going to change. No technique, no amount of information, and no number of videos watched is actually going to rewire what your subconscious believes is true about who you are and what you're available to have. And honestly, the whole purpose of a technique in the first place is to program your subconscious mind. This is why I always teach so many different techniques. It's so that you can try them and find your way in, because manifestation is not a one-size-fits-all approach. And this is why years and years ago, I created my entire signature program, Abundance Academy, tailoring the right techniques to you to reprogram your subconscious mind and get the results you want. This turns your manifestation on autopilot. And yes, that actually is possible. And I know this because it's how I live. And there are thousands of students inside who experience the same exact shift. But here is the thing that changed everything for me. So over a decade ago, I was in the exact same place. I was trying everything. And I would occasionally get these really, really big, amazing results. And then I would kind of rinse and repeat and do the whole same process and nothing. And it felt so random and so unpredictable. And I found myself more frustrated than anything else. Like, why did this one thing work, but this other thing didn't? I did the same exact thing, so what was the difference? Why can I manifest some things easily where others just feel impossible no matter how hard I try? And that right there is when I decided once and for all to figure out what the missing piece was. And what I discovered truly, truly, completely changed everything. The missing piece was not a better technique or saying more affirmations. The missing piece was my subconscious programming and my identity. And there's a specific process to follow that automatically changes that so you can manifest on autopilot. And in order to manifest consistently, it's not about learning more. It's actually the opposite. It's about unlearning the beliefs and the stories that you've been carrying about why you can't have certain things or why certain things are hard or impossible. This is about rewiring your brain to think new thoughts until they form new core beliefs. And once you form those new core beliefs, manifesting stops feeling like something you are trying to do, and in turn starts feeling like something that just happens for you. That right there is the shift that I want you to experience. It's not luck. It's skill. And that shift doesn't come from information. It comes from actual internal work. And I want to be really honest with you about something because I really think it matters, especially now. We live in a world where you have access to more information than any other generation that ever came before you. You can find manifestation techniques in seconds. You can ask AI, you can search YouTube, you can search all of these different platforms and find new tips literally within seconds, any single time you want. And yet I find that people are more stuck than ever. And I think it's because information alone has never changed or rewired someone's brain. And I think it's because there's information overload. And information has never really rewired someone's mind. Knowing what to do and actually shifting the programming underneath are not the same thing. Your subconscious doesn't respond to information. It responds to experience, to repetition, to what it is constantly being fed, to this specific kind of deep internal work that creates the changes that give you the results. And honestly, this is the difference between people who can manifest easily and consistently and the people who find it to be a struggle or they feel like it's just kind of random. The people who manifest consistently, it's not that they're using better techniques. It's that they're doing the deeper subconscious work. And in turn, their brain's not fighting what they want. The resistance is gone. And that right there is when manifesting can become automatic, something that just happens for you all of the time. And let me touch on a little bit of science with you here for a second, because I think this is really gonna make everything click. There's a specific part of your brain called the reticular activating system that I talk about time and time and time again, because it is truly so unbelievably powerful and you're using it all the time, whether you realize it or not. So the whole job of the reticular activating system is to filter your reality and the world around you. And your brain is receiving approximately 11 billion bits of information per second. That's a lot to handle at once. And your conscious mind can only process maybe about 40 to 50 bits per second. So your reticular activating system decides what you are going to see, what you're going to notice, what evidence your brain is going to show you about the world around you. And here's the key. Your reticular activating system filters based on what your subconscious believes is true. So if your subconscious is programmed to believe that money is hard or that things don't work out for you or that good things happen to other people and not for you, well, in turn, your brain is going to filter your reality to show you evidence of that every day, all day, without you even realizing it. You become this kind of victim to your circumstances and it creates this self-fulfilling prophecy because it's all you see. But on the opposite side, when you reprogram your subconscious to expect abundance, to expect things to work out, to expect opportunities to show up, then your reticular activating system starts filtering your reality to show you evidence of that instead. So while it can be the same world, same circumstances, it's a completely different experience. And this is why two people can be in the exact same situation and one of them sees opportunity everywhere while the other sees nothing but obstacles. It's not luck. It's programming. So then the real question becomes, how do you change your programming? Because this is where most people get it wrong. They think that if they just say more affirmations or visualize harder or try a new technique, that the subconscious will catch up and it will happen once and you never have to deal with it again. But the subconscious mind doesn't work that way. It doesn't respond to kind of that surface level repetition of words that you don't even really believe are true yet. What it does respond to is a very specific process of going in and actually shifting what it accepts as true. And this is a skill. This is something that can be learned and practiced and eventually made automatic. This is what I've spent decades working on. And this is exactly what I teach inside that signature program, Abundance Academy I mentioned. But to change this, the first thing I want you to do is to notice where you feel resistance, because resistance gives you so much information. And you're kind of taught to not talk about the resistance because then you're worried like, oh, it's not going to manifest. But resistance is so important. The more you know, the more you can shift. When you think about having something like more money, and then there's this part of you inside that kind of tightens up and says, yeah, right, or that's not realistic, or I can't afford that. That tightening and that feedback is your subconscious programming speaking. If you want to know what your programming is, look at those kind of inner thoughts and that tightening when you think of the thing that you want. This is the exact place that the real work needs to happen. And instead of pushing past it or trying to override it with a louder affirmation that you don't believe, I want you to simply be curious about it. Where did that belief come from? Is it actually true? Or is it simply a story that God installed in you a long time ago that you've just been living as if it's a fact? Because most of the time, it's that. And when you can start to question the story instead of living inside of it, that right there is where the real rewiring begins. Now, you've heard me mention my program Abundance Academy earlier in the video, but before we go, I wanted to quickly let you know that the doors right now are open. At the date I released this video, the doors are open, and they close on Friday in just 48 hours from the moment you're watching this, if you're watching it the day it came out. And everything I just walked you through, the subconscious rewiring, the reticular activating system programming, the exact techniques tailored to you based on your specific learning type and personality, that is just a small part of what I teach in depth inside of this program. And I don't want to say it's just a program. This is honestly an experience, and one that actually changes your results permanently. People tell me that after completing this program that they feel almost carefree. And it's not because life got easier, but it's because something within them has permanently shifted. That doubt got quieter, the results started flooding in, the trust got stronger, and everything just shifted. And right now the doors are open, and this is your chance to get in. They only open once or twice per year. You can join or not join. This isn't that I'm just made this video to pitch my program. I'm just letting you know that at the time of this video is released, the doors are open. You can continue to consume the free content, but if you want that permanent change where you can finally manifest on autopilot, I highly invite you to join me. I even give you my exact 7-step manifesting process and how to customize this for yourself. This is decades worth of research designed to really get you the results that you want. It is 2026 at the time of this video release, and this is the year of the fire horse. So if you are ready for momentum, I invite you to join me. So if you'd like more information on joining Abundance Academy before the doors close, you can go ahead and click the link up here, and I will also put a link in the description box below. And as a special little reward, if you join today, you actually get my Clearing Blocks Masterclass as a bonus. This masterclass uses rapid resolution therapy, breath work, and visualization trainings to clear years of blocks in one single session. And you can use this each time over and over again for each block that comes up. Again, the doors are only open for 48 hours, and I would love to have you. So let me know in the comments, did this video resonate with you? Have you ever felt like manifestation works sometimes, but it feels so random and kind of frustrating at times? And I know this because I've been there before. Here on my channel, I read every single comment, and I would love to hear from you. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on TikTok and Instagram and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.